I am incredibly excited to share an update on our refreshed accidental damage protection. Well, that's awkward, but at least now I can show you our new ADP features. Our accidental damage protection still covers drops, spills, and electrical surges, but with a twist. Each repair is CO2 offset. Let me explain by following the journey of the device I've just unintentionally damaged. Many customers tell us that they are interested in more sustainable IT choices, but don't know where to start. With ADP, CO2 offsets come built in. We're enabling our customers to repair and continue to use their PCs that otherwise might become e-waste. But the entire repair process creates emissions. Let's follow my device. First step is sending my device to be repaired. Next, the repair process itself, as well as the return shipping. Our analysis revealed emissions at every stage of the repair process, so we engaged a leading professional services firm to quantify these emissions and included CO2 offset services as part of accidental damage protection to help offset estimated emissions during the repair process and support gold standard climate action projects on behalf of our customers. Simply put, all our accidental damage repairs are now CO2 offset. And that's not all. With ADP, you'll still enjoy your Lenovo PC to the max, even when life gets a little unpredictable. ADP is there to go beyond standard warranties with coverage for drops, spills, bumps, electrical surges, and even LCD screen damage. In case of accidental damage, you'll enjoy peace of mind with ADP, knowing that your PC will be looked after by Lenovo technicians with genuine Lenovo parts and advanced diagnostic tools. Click at the end of this video to find out more. Now it's time for me to go submit my ADP claim.
Lenovo.